Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good evening to my lecturer and my fellow friends. So my name is Muhammad Hafiz. I would like to present to you how our group get a single line module. Alright, so first we're using PSIM software. Okay, so before we get array circuit like this, we must construct single module. Alright, in order to do that, we go to elements, power and renewable energy, and then select solar module physical model. Alright, so right here, right, press escape, and then okay, from here we double click. Okay, so for our group number 8, the question required, the number of cell is 15. So this one 36, we change it to 15, then press X. Okay, so in order for us to see the power output or the output of the single module, we're gonna configure it by using, we go to the utilities, and we go to the solar module physical model. Okay, so as you can see on the left side, this is the default setting for the PSIM software, but we'll configure the setting based on our question. So our group already choose a solar module in the internet that almost the same output as the question required. So this is our datasheet, BP Solar. So the question asks our group number 8, short circuit current 4.2 ampere and 15 number of cells, and the irradiance 350, 500 and 1000. So the nearest short circuit current we have in the internet is this one, BP365 from BP Solar. So yeah, this one is 3.99 ampere. So that's the reason why we choose this model of solar panel. Okay, then we insert the setting of the solar module right here. Okay, so this is based on the datasheet that we found on the internet. Alright, so we press load, open the one that we already setting, open. Alright, so it changed, number of cells 15, and so on. This is based on the datasheet. Okay, so as you can see here, for the light intensity 1000 means the maximum light intensity you can have, we get the power is around 70 watt and around 18 volt here. So this is the maximum. For current, we got around 4 ampere and 18 volt here. Alright, so based on the question, there's 3 irradiance, right? 3 light intensity. So we change here light intensity 350, and then we press calculate parameter. Okay, and then press calculate IV curve. Okay, so this is the result. If the light intensity is reduced up to 350. Okay, so as you can see, the current and the power lower than the previous 1001. So we get current 1.5 and 1.5 ampere, and the maximum power is around 27 watt. Okay, so the last one is for 500 irradiance or light intensity. We insert the value, calculate parameter, and then calculate IV curve. So this one a little bit higher than the previous one, which is 350. So we get the current is 2 ampere, and the maximum power output is around 38 watt. So that's all for question 1 for single module, and then we will show you how we get the complete circuit in next tutorial. Thank you. Okay, next for parallel circuit, it's the same as single module, but we add on power source, ground, diode, capacitor, and connect all together in parallel. So for our group, we're using 15 number of cells, and for this circuit we're using 1000 as our irradiance, and short circuit current is 3.99 ampere based on our model datasheet. Alright, so we will run simulation. Right, so you will get here maximum. Okay, so for 1000 irradiance, our maximum power is 3.39 K watt here, and our maximum voltage is 146. Okay, next I will show you another 2 irradiance, which is 500 and 350. Alright, next for 500 irradiance, so we just change the power source for 500 for all the sources, and then we run the simulation. As you can see here, all here is 500 irradiance. We run the simulation, and then we get here. So for 500 irradiance, our maximum power is 1770, and our maximum voltage is 151 volt. Okay, next I will show you the irradiance of 350. Okay, next for 350 irradiance, so we replace the power source with 350, all the power source here. Okay, and then we run the simulation. Okay, so this is our maximum power and maximum voltage. So our maximum power is 1249 watt, and our maximum voltage is 153 volt. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.